Hi, I'm Dr. John Fluke, Technology Editor for Dental Practice Report magazine, and this is a video demonstration of a new product from Air Techniques that should help make your irrigation much easier in all your endodontic procedures. The device is called the Rinsendo. Let's see how it works.
The Rinsendo comes in a fairly high-tech case. It's a nice aluminum-looking briefcase. When you open it up, everything you need is inside. You have the instruction manual, which is very detailed to the device. You have the Rinsendo itself. You have cannulas. You have the shields for the cannulas. And then you also have the connection adapter that you'll need for whichever handpiece hookup you're using. In my case, I use the Cavo quick disconnect coupling, so that's what's included with this one, which allows you to simply pop it off and on your quick disconnect for ease of use. The device itself also comes with some single-use syringes, and the barrel is offset a little bit to one side. These attach in here. You can use multiple syringes for multiple irrigants, and you can use any type of irrigant you want with this device.
Okay, once assembled, when you have your cannula on the end, the cannula cover, whatever quick disconnect you happen to be using, pick up that disconnect, connect it. Whatever irrigation you happen to be using at the time, and once again, you can use any irrigation product that you would like. You load the irrigant into the syringe is inserted into the device, you bleed the excess air out until you see the irrigant come out of the end, you step on the pedal, and the irrigation process begins. In order to use the Rinsendo, you'll first need to take one of the Rinsendo tips and place it onto the device. Simply screws on hand tight. Then you want to measure the depth to which you want to place the cannula. And you'll notice this cannula is side vented quite a bit, so there's not a lot of back pressure that you can develop with this. I normally will take and measure this off in an anodized aluminum block. The canal I'm going to do today is only about 18 millimeters, and this block, the shortest I can go is 10 millimeters. So I'll put that to the 10 millimeter mark, bend that just a little bit, and this little umbrella cap is now on top of the 10 millimeter mark. And you can bend these cannulas quite a bit, so if you want to bend it more than that, you certainly can and get it closer to 90 degrees. Then what you'll do is you will draw up whatever your irrigating solution is into this syringe. The syringe attaches to the Rinsendo, and then what you want to do is bleed out any excess. So you just push until you have liquid flowing out of the tip. Then you take whatever quick disconnect you happen to use, connect it to the Rinsendo. We're going to use a previously prepared acrylic block for today's demonstration. You take the handpiece, you introduce it into the block, and you'll notice that once you step on the rheostat, air will begin to pump. So what you want to do is just put that down to the top of this little umbrella hat. Now this umbrella hat, as I refer to it, has, as you'll notice, a little slot in the side. And that's where the assistant can place her high-speed evacuator tip into that area, and then any material that is brought back up out of the tooth is then evacuated with the high-speed evacuator. So you'll place this into the block, step on the pedal, and you'll notice all that irrigant being expressed down into the canals. can use a lot of different irrigants with this. Basically, any irrigant that you'd like to use, you can use with the Rinsendo. You don't have to worry about getting this all the way down to the tip. The force will actually carry the irrigant down to the apex, and then when it retracts and creates a vacuum, it'll actually pull the material back up. So you don't have to worry about getting it close to the apex. Into the coronal 1/3 or the coronal 1/2 will do nicely. Then when you're done, simply remove the syringe, and you'll flush this with clean water. Take it off the adapter. Remove the cannula, which is disposable, and then you can autoclave this. Now, as I said, you can use this with multiple irrigants. So if you'd like to have more than one syringe, all you have to do is draw up your irrigant, connect a new syringe, and you can irrigate with whatever irrigant you'd like to use at that point in time. My hands-on experience with the Rinsendo has been outstanding. I've been using the product now for about 6 months. I'm very, very pleased with it. Patient response has been good. We've had no post-operative problems with it. I highly recommend it, and I think that everyone who does endodontics will find that this makes their endodontic procedures easier and better irrigated with long-term better results. My name is John Fluke. I'm Technology Editor for Dental Practice Report magazine, and this has been a video demonstration of the Rinsendo by Air Techniques.